Srinagar's Lal Chowk massacre of 1993, which exposed the false narrative of the Indian government, is considered, even after the completion of 30 years today, as one of the brutal incidents committed by the Indian troops and paramilitary personnel. On 10th April 1993, a large section of Srinagar, including the Lal Chowk, was burned to the ground by the Indian paramilitary troops. More than 60 houses, 5 commercial buildings, 150 shops, 2 official buildings, shrines, schools were completely burned to ashes. A total of 47 innocent civilians were burnt alive and over 125 were killed by the Indian border security forces. All-party Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir leaders Sayyid Yusuf Naseem, Sayyid Ejaz Rahmani, Muhammad Sultan Butt, Sheikh Muhammad Yaqub, Shamim Shaul, Mushtaq Ahmad Butt, Sayyid Manzoor Shah and Qazi Imran have expressed anger over the surge in human rights violations by the Indian troops in the garb of cordon and search operations in occupied Kashmir even during the sacred month of Ramadan. The leaders, in a joint statement issued in Islamabad, lauded Pakistan Army Chief General Syed Asim Munir for his clear message on the Kashmir, saying the statement is a source of encouragement and strength for the Kashmiris who are confronting worst Indian state terrorism. Authorities have shifted over 3 dozen Kashmiri political detainees to different jails in India. Over 2 dozen detainees have been shifted from Kot Bhalwal Jail, Jammu, and half a dozen from Baramulla sub-jail to jails of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh in India. Hundreds of Kashmiri prisoners, including all parties Hurriyat Conference leaders, are detained in New Delhi's Tihar Jail, Agra Central Jail, UP's Naini Jail, Haryana's Rohtak Jail, Karnail Jail, Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Rajasthan's Central Jail, Jodhpur. All parties Hurriyat Conference leader Advocate Devinder Singh Bahal has mocked Indian Law Minister Kiran Rijiju's "doors of justice are open to all without discrimination" statement, saying that the rule of law is non-existent in occupied Kashmir, where people are arrested for showing dissent and lodged in Indian jails without trials for years. Advocate Devinder Singh Bahal said that the statement of the law minister is a plethora of lies and distortion of facts about the occupied Kashmir. New York-based Human Rights Watch has said that the Hindu festival of Ram Navami in India was marred by violence sparked when Hindus in processions passed through Muslim neighborhoods brandishing weapons and shouting anti-Muslim slogans. Meenakshi Gangle, South Asia director at the Human Rights Watch, in a statement said communal violence was reported in several states. In Bihar, a mob reportedly vandalized and set fire to a prominent madrasa. Around 250 educationists and historians have criticized the India's National Council of Educational Research and Training over its decision to remove chapters of the Mughal-era ruled India in the name of revision of the textbooks. They said the move was driven under a partisan agenda and they demanded to withdraw the decision.